Hello guys, this is Kearns K back with another Minecraft video. Oh no. Today we will be playing a survival game. So here we go, we're gonna get started. Are there any open? Let me see. Oh, there we go. Move you. Here we go. There we go. So I'm not going to join a team. So, it will start in a few minutes. Snappy flap, snappy flap, snappy flap flap. Eat the flap flap. All the mat. Blum 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 blum. I am I wanna kill you. I wanna kill you. That's right, that's right. I'm gonna get you tonight. And I'll rip out your brains and say you're insane. That is right, that is right, that is right. Okay, sorry for my stupid little song. It starts in 30 seconds. Yeah, welcome, man. We gotta get as far away as possible. Or I could hold that position. I think, no, it has an iron door on it. I think, Breland, let's get my sister's opinion. Do you think I should hold that position? It's like a safe house, but it has an iron door on it. We have iron doors now.
No, we don't. No, we don't.
The new update just came out.
Well, at least we got a cave.
Okay, so I'm gonna run. Go this way. Other people are. Maybe would make a team or kill them. I like kill them.
What's in that say?
I wanna get you.
You are no longer invited.
Oh, I'm sorry, guys. I had no reflex to that. But let's play a quick game of Spleef. I like that. Okay, there we go. What the world? Okay, let's play Skywars. No, I want to try this parkour that I'm... Nope, can't do.
He's new at that. He can't do them yet.
You don't even... Let that locate. What in the world? Okay, we'll just play another one of these. Okay, I see it's open. I see it's open. Let me join you. Hey, Steve. So next episode, I will be joining my sister, and she has a desert home, if I'm not mistaken, right?
New one.
Oh yeah, we're gonna make a new one, and that's gonna be our like little main house. It's gonna be never on creative. Right, Breland? Jack, I'm gonna run. Run. My mom says she doesn't run unless something's chasing her.
No, never. She runs. Can't break blocks, cheating.
I can break leaves, can't I?
No.
Yeah. You can.
Oh, do you want it to be flat?
Really, it's.
I thought we were gonna make a hide and go seek.
No! It's gonna be just a good world that we play on. We just hopped over the bridge. We have low on health. I repeat, low. I'll just place that. Let it grow. Is anyone following us? Okay, I can see no gamer tags. Guys, this is awesome for nothing. We have nothing. I was kind of stupid typing in the chat. What do you have to offer? Okay.
Kerns, it's a snowy bar. Yeah.
There we go. My sister's just telling me about how good the world she just generated is. So we gotta move. At least we got a weapon of some sort. Deathmatch starts in 6 minutes. Okay, that's not too bad. For glory! Oh, 9 survivors. I'm always up. 8 survivors. Usually there's like a battle every 8 seconds. And usually half the time they make team.
Wait, which world is it?
I'm in a Hunger Games. I think we have good potential. Last Hunger Games I had.
1 hour ball.
What the heck? I can find some lava or something, that'd be good. Potatoes only give you half of a. There we go, 2 buckets. Now we're doing great, guys. A bad start, I know. And a great finish is what this is going to turn out to be. Where'd my lava go? Oh, man. Lava. That's not fair. I'm joking, guys. Okay, but at least we found a sword. That was kind of disappointing that we lost our lava. So we have a sword. Or at least we have a... Let's go into this petal field here. And a chest, where I would least expect. Is that what I see? That is what I see. I want those chests. Something is in those chests. We keep losing our lava. Stay with me, because you're all I need. All I need, because you're lava. Stay with me, because you're... What? How'd I die? That's not fair. Okay, thank y'all guys for watching, and peace.